Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to have a little celebration and just thank all of you, my lovely subscribers, loyal friends. I have reached 500 subbies on my channel, so thank you for all of your support, for watching the videos, for liking and subscribing, for commenting, for sharing the channel. I look forward to this continued crafty journey, learning more techniques, using new products, and just creating and sharing my craft knowledge with you and taking in all your inspiration. I hope you continue to stick around and enjoy this crafty channel. I just wanted to give some facts. So I first joined YouTube in September 13th, 2017. My first video I uploaded was October 16th, 2017, and it was actually a thrifty haul that I did. I have had, since then, 13,700 views, 532 watch hours, 511 subbies on the day that I took these facts. The first view I ever had was on October 17th, 2017. So it took a whole day for someone to view my video. My viewers are located currently in the US, Bangladesh, Norway, and Canada. And 97% of my viewers are female, and just 3% are males. 64% of my viewers are subbies, and 36% of the people who watch my channel are not a subbie. So if you are one of those 36, I would appreciate you becoming a subbie. I am going to use the month of November to do weekly giveaways, thanking my subscribers. So you do have to be a subscriber in order to win. So stay tuned for that. Currently, I have had 275 uploaded videos. So that's the end of the facts. But like I said, I'm going to use the month of November to thank you all for all your love and support. So stay tuned. I will be having numerous drawings throughout the month and different ways you can win different things. So yeah, thank you again for your love and support. I appreciate you all. If you're new here, consider subscribing to join me on this journey. And until my next video, shakas!